My Trek Fuel EX7 2010 15.5 inch, 27 pounds, 6 ounces, not that bad. The frame, 120 millimeters of front and rear travel, integrated, tapered head tube, double butted top and down tubes, alpha aluminum. What else do we got here? AVP race, just a slimmer version of AVP. An EvoLink, magnesium one. And, so front tires and Maxxis monorail. 2.10 folding tire. Bontrager Duster, front rim. Laced onto a Bontrager Select front hub with Avid Juicy 3.5. Disc brakes, hydraulic, a Fox F-Series RL, 32 fork, 120 millimeters of travel, lockout, rebound, it's an air shock, Juicy 3.5 levers with ODI grips and ODI clamps, Easter Monkey Light XE high-rise bars, crappy SRAM X5 trigger shifters, Bontrager race light stem with an FSA ACB bearing headset. I had to lower the seat. I don't ride with it that low, so you can see the weight and it won't turn off the scale. So Bontrager race seat on a race light post, the Bontrager Select seat clamp. The rear shock is a Fox Flow RP2, 120 millimeters of travel, pro pedal and unlocked. It's an air shock, rebound, all that stuff. Forget what it's called. Oh yeah, full floater. It's got pivot down there too, so it moves freely all the time. Shimano Dior XT cranks with Azonic pedals. I think that's E13 bash guard with Dior XT chain wheels, a Shimano bottom bracket, a SRAM PC971 chain, just like a regular mountain chain, SRAM X9 cassette with an X9 rear derailleur. It's a 9-speed, and in the front I only got 2 because of the bash guard. Jaguar cables. Shimano Dior XT rear hub, laced to a Duster rim. Another Maxxis monorail 2.10 tire. And yep, that's about it.